I know this was a super detailed question, Jeff. So what I'm going to do is have Sebastian get in touch with you. And this relates to another question that we had submitted. So what happens if you wanted to talk to someone at our team, someone at our firm, if you wanted to do a consultation, and you weren't quite at the stage where you wanted to pay for it yet? Um, is there an avenue to talk to someone from our firm without having to pay for it? Absolutely. So, one, we do workshops like these where we answer questions from the general public. They're pre-submitted, but for those who show up live, we do take more questions near the end and offer time for that. So that's one way to talk to people at the firm. And I do these workshops, so you would be talking with me and interacting with me. Next time, we're going to do something where we really have a little bit more, we really open up the lines of communication more, so that we can have some real interaction here. But that's one way. Another way is we've got Sebastian here. And when you book a call with him, that is a no pressure call. He knows intimately the type of work that we do for our clients and what we're capable of doing. And it gives you an opportunity to learn about our firm, to get answers to some of your specific questions, and to get a sense of whether we're a good fit for you. Sometimes people reach out before it's quite time for us to help. Sometimes it's past time for us to get involved. And that's a great way to get to get to get on the phone one-on-one, not in a group setting like this, but one-on-one, no cost to it, no obligation to engage further, right? So if you get in there and you're thinking, not quite for me, totally understand that. It's really about figuring out if you're the right fit to be part of our client group, and if you feel like we're the right fit to help you with what you're dealing with right now. So that's another way. For our consultations with attorneys, by and large, those are paid consultations. And we offer a 30-minute and a 1 hour. And so you can choose the one that is best for you. Sebastian is a great resource for helping you figure out which one is going to be the best for your particular situation. And there's a reason why we do this. Number one is we make ourselves available for people to have interactions with our team and even with me without having to book a call. But once we get into one-on-one, we're dealing with actual legal advice. And that means we get conflicted out from representing other people. And it means we're pulling time away from those clients who committed to investing in paying for services from us. So we do ask for a payment for those consultations. But I would say your first step is really going to be to have that call with Sebastian and to talk through what you're dealing with. Here's another thing I tell people. You want to do that call with Sebastian because sometimes we have resources that really help you that are available for free, right? That are perfectly suited for where you are right now. The other thing is that call is going to help frame things up for the consultation so that you get the most value from the time that you're spending with the attorney. Sometimes people want to bypass it because they feel like, well, I just want to get to the attorney. But then you end up using that attorney time on things that could have been done with Sebastian and could have maximized your time one-on-one with the attorney. So I would say, go ahead, get that call. I think you've got that in the chat. And so Sebastian, I think, has that in the group chat. Is everybody able to see that? I think he's got it. Yep, in the main group chat. And when you go to that page, you'll see thank you, Betsy. I'm so glad you saw that. On the left side, I don't know if I'm but on the left side, wherever the left side of your screen is, here or here, on the left, here is my left side. So on the left side, you will see where it's just a general contact form. You want to choose the one where it says to speak to a growth strategist, where you book a call. You actually pick a date and time for the call. There's no payment link associated with that. That's the one you want to choose. So choose that one to get on the schedule with Sebastian and get that call scheduled.